Everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing good. Today I'm going to discuss about couple of replication questions and answers. Okay, so all those questions which is really helpful to for cracking the replication interviews actually. So mostly the replication questions which is asked in so many MNCs is covered in this video. So don't skip the video and please watch the complete video because I have described all the solutions and all in the so don't skip this video. Okay, and before starting the session I would request to each and everyone whoever newly joined on my channel, please like to subscribe and don't forget to share with others as well because each video is very much helpful, and if you are getting help, don't forget to subscribe the channel also. Okay, so let me start. These 15 questions will help you to improve the replication stuff, SQL Server application. So first question which is asked, what is replication? Okay, and the types of replication, the how many types of replication we have, what are the difference between all. So now again the interview will come. If you answer the all types of replication, suddenly they will ask what are the difference among the alls, how the replication is working, how it's working. So they will ask how it's working and what are the difference between transactional and snapshot replication. This is so frequent questions actually. It's asked in so many interviews. What is the difference between transactional and snapshot replication? How many jobs in replication you need to figure out, how many jobs, how many agents in a replication we have, and apart from that, what are the roles of each agent. Okay, so each agent having the some specific roles among the all replication. So you need to understand what are the roles for each agent. Firstly, you need to answer how many agents we have in a replication and how agents is behaving different in each replication. Okay, because all agents behavior is different among the all replication. Okay, what is the push and pull technique? This is very much a tricky question actually. This is in a transactional application stuff asked in so many interview questions. What is the pull and push replication? How to add articles in replication? So tricky questions. If you answer the normal procedure to add the articles in a replication, they will put the some scenario based, whether the I have articles like size of 4 TB and now you need to add in, okay, in a publisher. So how to proceed that? So I have already covered one video how to add articles having size 4 TB or bigger article size, how to add it actually, what is the correct approach to add articles in a replication. So that you can go and check that video also. It will very helpful. Normal adding procedure will not help. So so interviewer basically looking that stuff here, how to add a bigger size article and how you are representing the answer. They are looking for that actually. How to delete the data on publisher but not on subscriber. This is so frequent questions and very tricky question. So basically what they are trying to say, sometimes developer need to delete the data on a publisher only, not on a subscriber. Okay, suppose some data which is they want to delete on a publisher but they want to keep on a subscriber. So how to deal that? Okay, there is an approach to do that. Okay, I have covered the same video also for that. You can go and check my playlist. Okay, how to fix the latency issue. This is very much helpful and common issue. How you can figure out, they will ask n number of questions about the latency issue, how you can figure out, how you start the troubleshoot actually about the latency. What is the issue you have faced in replications? This is also very tricky question. They just want to know what are the things you involved in your projects and how you figured out the replication issues. So just they want to understand your troubleshooting knowledge actually, how you can proceed to fix the replication issue and what type of replication issues you have fixed as of now. So just they want to look with that questions actually. So why we can go with replication? This is also very much basically they want to look actually your analyzing power. So we have n number of DR setup in SQL Server. Either we can go with the log shipping, we can go with the always on cluster. Okay, So they are looking why we can go with the replications, how we can present in, so how benefits replication is giving, in that how which scenario we can go with the replication. Then 15th question is, it's a very last question. I have completed video here. So how you can represent to client for suitable replication DR setup, because see, they just want to look the client interaction, how you are convincing to client. Actually, basically client is not our any DR, right? So you need to figure out and you need to present the thoughts to the client, how we why we should go with this replication. Client will come with the agenda, I need a 1 DR setup, we have this much things, and which should be in under DR, and they are going to only for the replication. They don't want to proceed with the other DR setup, they are looking only for the replication. In that case, which replication you will go. So just they want to understand your analyzing power, how you are going to convince to client, and which replication is suitable according to their application. Just they want to judge your knowledge actually. So these 15 questions will really help you to crack the replication interview for SQL Server replication areas. Basically one DR, the replication, which can really help you if you cover out all those 15 questions and answer. I will try to make another video to cover all the 15 questions, to will give you the answer separately, not in this video because it will go lengthy. But these 15 questions mostly asked in mostly MNCs during the replication test. Okay, when they will jump to the replication DR setup, definitely they will touch these 15 areas. Okay, if you focus on these 15 questions, your replication portion will be very much easy, okay, to give the answers. So hope you like that. I will create another session to provide the answer to all those questions actually. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and keep watching.